like a river, okay?
Okay. Just make sure you drink the river when you're done.
Hey guys, we're going to make milk.
Chocolate milk. Is it supposed to be hot or cold?
Cool.
Cold. Okay, so Ryan, you pour half in and then you let Robert pour in the other half. Okay, that's enough. Let your brother do the rest.
What in there?
Okay, that's good. That's good. Guys, it's just 2 spoons. You guys put 1 spoon of chocolate in each. You do 1 spoon?
Shay?
Don't taste it. Put it in the bunny. Put in the bunny.
Shay!
Put in the bunny. Okay, Robert, you do the other spoon. And stir it around. Okay, mommies, I'm about to put the Cool Whip in there.
Mine is chocolate.
Let's look at it first to see if it's dark brown. Let's do 1 more spoon. Ryan, you can do it. 1 more spoon of chocolate. Don't put it back in there. Your yaya is gonna get me. Okay, spread around. All right, I am going to put this whipped cream in there.
Mix up. Okay.
Out the freezer.
Ryan, don't.
Okay, now you can add in the caramel. And
Mike?
let Ryan do a little bit. And it would be super good with sprinkles, but I don't have any. And here's some straws for you to taste your,
And we need some of those.
your chocolate.
Yeah, this will be the fifth prize. Subscribe.
What you think? Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Subscribe to the Say Millie family. And we use this giant Hershey's bunny to do this cute little hack. How does it taste? How does it taste?
Good.
Good? What do it taste like?
Chocolate. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. She flips her hair.
Mm.